how to use Instacart's grocery list, favorite items, or reorder features effectively. So, in order to use Instacart's list features effectively, you can leverage the reorder function for staples and use saved lists to organize specific shopping trips or meal plans while utilizing the favorite icon for the items that you buy repeatedly across different orders. For example, for staple items, you can use this for weekly or bi-weekly grocery runs that are largely the same, like milk, breads, eggs, etc., and it's the fastest way to build a foundational list. As for the review and adjusting, you can, after adding all items from a past order, you can go through your cart and remove lists that you don't need that week or adjust the quantities. You can actually just also save a certain store if you shop from a certain store quite often, like Target. If you like a certain item that you purchase more often, you can also add them to your wish list or your saved list by tapping the saved icon and adding them to your saved collection, so that next time in the future you can order them quite effectively. So these are a couple of ways on how you can do it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.